Hey, happy Father's Day, y'all. Here in Montgomery, Texas. Just wanted to show you real quick what a deck remodeling and power washing looks like from Sherman Pressure Washing. I'll show you a before. This is what an older deck looks like that I'm about to work on. I've already done a little bit in this spot here, and I'll show you the difference. So as you can see, there's a huge difference in just a little bit of pressure washing.
Wow. So are you recording me? That's crazy.
That's an actual reaction. That's not scripted.
I'm like, whoa. Wow, look at it in comparison to that. Did you show him that?
Yeah. So that's literally just took about a few minutes of my time, but that's what Sherman Pressure Washing is all about. Rejuvenating porches, making it like it's brand new again.
That's right. Right on, babe. That's awesome.
Amen. Happy Father's Day, everybody.